To open videos in Video Player app instead of Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable Open in Video Player feature in the Gallery app. To do so, open Gallery app, tap the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Under Viewing section, tap the gray on offset next to Open in Video Player until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key. Navigate to the folder where you can find a video. Tap the video. And then tap the play video button. As you can see, the selected video will now play in the Video Player app. Given to the function, you can enable this feature if you want to get access to more playback features in the Video Player app each time you play a video in the Gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.